Hello children, we are doing class 11 mathematics, chapter 9 sequence and series, exercise 9.2, question number 5. In an AP, if the pth term is 1 by q and the qth term is 1 by p, prove that the sum of first pq terms is half into pq plus 1, where p not equal to q. Now, the pth term is 1 by q. Pth term, general formula I write, nth term n. Do a plus n minus 1 into d. And again, sum of first n terms. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just gave you two formulas related to this topic. Now, pth term is 1 by q. Pth term equal to 1 by q. Pth term is just like nth term. Means pth term AP will be equal to a plus p minus 1 into d. This is AP. So in the place of pth term a suffix p, I'll write a plus p minus 1 into d equal to 1 by q. Question number 1. And qth term is 1 by p. Qth term a suffix q equal to 1 by p. So qth term aq will be equal to a plus q minus 1 into d. So here aq will write as a plus q minus 1 into d is 1 by p. Equation number 2. Now you can write equation number 1 below 2. So I'll repeat that equation number 2 here. A plus q minus 1 into d equal to 1 by p. It was equation number 2. Equation number 1 I'll write below that one. A plus p minus 1 into d equal to 1 by q. Equation number 1. I will subtract that to equations. Equations will subtract. So I am subtracting now equation number 2 minus 1. Change the sign of the second number. So minus, minus and minus. So it will be a and minus a will be cancelled. You will get q minus 1. Can do 1 minus 2 also. So here q minus 1 minus p minus 1 full thing into d equal to 1 by p minus 1 by q. Now here we'll get pq minus 1 minus p plus 1 into d will be equal to, we'll take the LCM of second number. So here no, LCM of the denominator. PQ is the LCM. Multiply each numerator with the missing denominator. Means q minus p. Now in this one, minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. We'll get q minus 1 p into d is q minus p divided by pq. Now in this one, we'll take, either we can cancel q minus p and q minus p, or d will be equal to q minus p by q minus p into pq. This q minus p we took from left to right. So now that multiplication will change into division. So into p. So q minus p and q minus p will be cancelled. Therefore common difference d equal to 1 by pq. Therefore common difference d equal to 1 by pq. Now we will substitute d equal to 1 by pq in any one of the equation. I will substitute that one in equation number 1. Substitute d equal to 1 by pq in equation number 1. Name it as 3. Common difference 3. Here in the next line I will write it as 3. Now substitute So it will be A plus P minus 1 into, instead of D we'll write always D equal to 1 by Q. So it will be A plus P minus 1 into, in the place of D you will write 1 by PQ equal to 1 by Q. Now we want to find out the value for A. We want to find out the value for A. Now we'll find the value for A. So A will be equal to 1 by Q. Otherwise I'll rearrange once more. So A plus P minus 1 into 1 by PQ is P minus 1 divided by PQ equal to 1 by Q. So what will be A? 1 by Q minus P minus 1 divided by PQ. Now LCM of Q and PQ is PQ actually. Q and PQ. And we hand out now Q 1s are and P's are. So with P is stable 1 and 1. PQ is the LCM. So for Q the missing denominator is actually P. Multiply numerator also with P. So it will become P minus P minus 1 divided by PQ. Now it will be, when you open the bracket, P minus P plus 1 divided by PQ. Now minus P plus P will be cancelled. You will get the answer 1 by PQ. So you got first term A. First term A equal to 1 by PQ. You got the first term and common difference. Now you want to find out the sum of first PQ terms. So sum of first PQ terms will be equal to Sn. Sn we wrote the formula first time. At first we wrote. So directly I will go to sum of first PQ terms. So as PQ equal to n by 2, that is PQ by 2, into 2a plus, that is 2 into A is how much? 1 by PQ. Plus n minus 1. N is actually PQ minus 1 into D. Common difference D we got actually from 3, 1 by PQ. Now in this one, it will be equal to PQ by 2 into LCM will take 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 by PQ. Now denominators are same. Add the numerator directly. This PQ by 2 into 2 plus PQ minus 1 divided by PQ. What is 2 minus 1? Again 1 only. So we'll get the answer equal to PQ by 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. PQ plus 1 I'll write. Because 2 minus 1 is 1. So PQ plus 1 divided by PQ. Now PQ and PQ will be cancelled. So answer will be half PQ plus 1. That one you had to prove actually. Sum of the first PQ terms is half PQ plus 1. That one we proved. This is as PQ. That is sum of first PQ terms. That is the answer. Now we'll go to the next one.